It is a real statistic that 90% of websites online get zero traffic at all. I remember working for a previous web design company who was charging up to 10K for a website and thinking just how ridiculous that really was. I thought to myself, how could anybody pay that much amount of money for a website when statistically it won't produce any leads at all? So in this video, I'm going to explain to you the exact strategy that we use to rank websites organically so they can get consistent calls daily from organic alone. And stick to the end of this video to see how to structure your site to ensure when people land on it that they actually convert. Number one is going to be keyword research. So to give you an idea of everything that goes into building a website correctly to get traffic for clients consistently, first I have to show you what it actually looks like to do this. So here is our layout structure in ClickUp. It's the software that we use to manage clients. And here is a step-by-step formula of everything that you need to, again, bring somebody up organically on their website and make sure that they are successful, right? So it starts off with, again, keyword research. Then we do homepage content, service page content, location pages, meta titles, meta descriptions, permalinks, image optimization and resizing, image geotagging, content publication, image alt text and titles, and then we do a site audit on all of that stuff. So that is the creation of the actual content. And then when it comes to uploading it for our web designers, right, then we have to go through the part where we're optimizing the homepage, the about us, contact us section, blogs, services, location pages, making sure that it's responsive, and then doing another site audit once all of the content is on the actual websites from our web designers creating that, right? So those are all of the steps that are needed to make sure somebody's successful when building a website. But again, in this video, I'm just going to cover some of the main ones, specifically the top four, right? So again, keyword research is going to be number one. This is the first thing that we do before building out the website for the clients, because if you're not going to know what keywords to use before building out a website, how are you going to know what to put on the H1s, the H2s, in the paragraphs, in the bodies to make sure that they get pulled up correctly for the keywords that are actually being searched? You don't. So this is the most important step that you can go through. The way that we do this is our team creates a separate Excel document and puts all of the keywords on the left based on the impressions that they are currently getting. And you can find this through the Google Search Console like this. You just go to their site, you click performance, and then you can see all of the queries that they're currently getting impressions for. So you copy all of these, right? And you paste these on the side here. And then from there, you find the main keywords that are being searched and you put those at the top of the Excel document. And this is how ours looks. There's quite a lot for this specific industry, right? Just because they have so many different products that they want to go after. So you put all the main services in the top that get the most searches. And then from there, you use a keyword tool like Ahrefs, or we use Search Atlas, right? And then you plug those main keywords into a keyword magic tool like on Search Atlas. And then you want to find all of the keywords that are getting searched for that are similar to some of those main keywords. And these are some of the ones that are similar to the main keywords. So you would copy and paste these underneath these main keyword section. And then, soon enough after, this is going to take at least a few days to do if done properly. And then soon enough, you're going to have a list in an Excel document of all the keywords that you need to bring this site up organically, right? So once you have all of that, then number two is going to be the content creation. So creating the actual content from the keywords that we're going to be using. And the way that looks is something like this. So after we find all the main keywords and the secondary keywords that we want to use on the site, you can put those into ChatGPT and ask it to come up with paragraphs to use on the actual website. And this is what it's going to look like when we copy and paste this to the site. So this is the on-page team creating around 300 pages specific for this one client. So it's quite a bit. Again, if you want to do this correctly, it's going to take some time, and it's most likely going to take you a whole team to do if you want to get it done in the quickest way possible, right? So again, we have 300 plus pages for this specific client, and it's ready to be posted to the site, right? So this is the content creation part. Number 3, so after we create the content, we find the, the keywords that are pulled up the most for the specific client. Then 3 is going to be site implementation. So actually implementing that content from our content team into the site, right? And this is going to be done through our web designers. So once they have that content and they're ready to paste it into the site, then the site is going to look something like this. So you can see, again, this industry has so many different services that they want to go after, and we want to come up for all of them and show Google that we are the authority, right? Because at the end of the day, all SEO is showing Google and proving to them that we are the authority. And the way that we do that is we create separate pages specific for each service that we want to go after, and also creating the top 10 cities that they want to be ranked in for each one of those services as well. So they get ranked up for those as well. And they implement all of those keywords into the site that looks attractive with a ton of pictures, right? That's going to look something like this. Also making sure that it looks good on mobile as well. And that is the implementation of all of the content, just like that, right? And then 4, in the last one of the main ones is going to be optimizing the site for conversions. So once you have all the content in place and down on the site and it looks really good from the web designers, then you want to optimize it for conversions. And the way that we do that is, number 1, the most important thing is making sure your site looks good on mobile. And the way that we do that is, first, we implement everything into the site, obviously. And then to see that it looks good on mobile, you just hit inspect, right? And you can kind of scroll down and see everything that we did for this guy right here. And the most important thing when you're looking at a website through mobile, because 90% of people will be looking at it through mobile, is to make sure that you have the number on the top or a way to contact them at the top, and showing them that you have the form above that fold as well, which is also very important, because most people, when they go to the website, even on mobile, they don't scroll very much at all. So they click your site and they might bounce within 2 seconds. So it's super important to have a big call to action button here, like a contact us, and also to have the form above the fold to make sure people actually convert, right? Other than that, when you scroll down, you just want to list a ton of benefits that your product will help them out with. So this is what we did for this client. Most of the time, people don't want to see an about us on the homepage, because when people come to the website, they're not actually looking for the about us section. They're looking to see how this product is going to benefit them. So just tons of content to show them how this product is actually going to benefit them. Super important. And then on the homepage, in the service area pages, you want to add reviews. You want to add an FAQ page. You want to add separate service area locations that are clickable for each city that they want to be ranked in. You keep scrolling down, and then also a footer here as well with a ton of links, right? So this is a correct SEO optimized website that we built for our clients that will not only be ranked up, but will also convert when people click on it, because again, everything's above the fold. It's structured in a correct way that shows all of the benefits. And then it has all of the necessities like the reviews, the FAQs, map section, and then also the footer as well. So these are all the things that are necessary to bring up your site once all the content is added to it. And if you found this video helpful, if you learned some things from it, just go ahead and click our school community down below. And I'll be glad to kind of walk you through more in detail on how we get clients up organically through our school calls once every Saturday at 12 p.m. MST. And also, you can use my affiliate link. And also, I would be helping you out from there just by using my Go High Level affiliate link and Search Atlas affiliate link. And make sure that you're getting your first client within 30 days, because that is the goal. So again, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, do all of that stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video.